Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need to transfer money from your standard bank account but don't have access to the app? No worries, in this video I'll show you two simple ways to send money without using the standard bank app via USSD and internet banking. So let's get started. If you don't have access to the app or internet, you can transfer money using USSD by following these steps. First, go ahead and use your phone and dial 1202345 hashtag on your phone. Select option 1 send money and choose whether you're sending to a standard bank account or another bank account. Enter the recipient's account number, enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction and enter your standard bank PIN when prompted. You'll receive an SMS confirming the successful transfer. This method works on any basic phone and does not require internet access. If you have access to a computer or a web browser, you can use the standard bank's online banking. So first, go ahead and open their website and click on the login button. Enter your login details, click on payments and transfers, select pay a beneficiary or add a new beneficiary, enter the recipient's account number and bank details, type in the amount you want to send and confirm the details and enter the OTP sent to your phone. Click confirm and the transaction will be processed. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer money from standard bank without using the application, whether via USSD or internet banking. Both methods are quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.